Hi, this is Ramna Reddy. Let's start C programming for embedded systems. In this classes, the series of C programming is continuously going on. Now, this class is declarations and definitions of a C programming. So, in that one, first one is a declaration. What is a declaration? So, this is a compiler point of view. The declaration means that it provides information to the compiler about the entity type, but it is not allocated any memory for the variables or for other entities on the functions of the function. Next, is if suppose some examples we are used here. So extern int x, that means it is a declaration. It's not allocated memory. Okay. Next, function declaration. That one is here one function is there. Just inform to the compiler about the type and function return type and the name and the function arguments. Just inform to the compiler, not allocated memory in this declaration. Next, definition. A definition means it's allocated memory for that variable or the function definitions. That means one space is reserved for the variables or entities or functions. Okay. For in once space is allocated for that variables, then if any variable initialized some value, that value located in that address space. So example is like that. Int x is equal to 5. 5 is located for that address where we allocated the memory. So function definition, this is the actual function definition. Whatever we want in our mind, just that one is implemented in the function definition. The main difference is declaration means just inform to the compiler about the type, data type, and also what the variables we use. And definition means with, with respect to the declaration, then it additionally it allocated the memory. Okay. That means if suppose we allocated the memory, if any initialization done, that one is loaded in that memory. So depends upon place where we defined. Some other cases declaration also not needed. Depends upon place. Before definition, we want to declare the functions in the functions pointer. If suppose if you don't want to declare directly, we define at the top of the functions, top of the file. Directly we define, but not declarations not needed. Okay, in this scenario. So this is a simple example for the declarations and definitions. So the int add, this is the declarations. Just inform to the compiler. This integer return type. Two arguments are available. The add is a function name. Just inform to the compiler. Next, int x is equal to 5. This is the just both declarations and definition and initialization all are in single statement. So it is located in some other memory area. Next, this is the function call. The function call means depends upon declarations. We have a two arguments. That argument that depends upon that one we passed here. This is the definition of a function. Actual process going on definition. This is a overall thing. Let's see some examples for this. So, okay. example by using of declarations and definition. So this is the extern int x. This is the declaration. So without definition, what what is happening in this program is seen like this. One error came. Okay, that one error means here in extern int x is declaration, but there is no definition in this file. So this is directly we initialized. So error came without definition. Okay, this is a one case one, and this is a case two. We have a multiple definitions happen or multiple initializations happen. We'll see what happened here. So here this is the declarations and definitions initialization done in single statement x is equal 16 and allocated memory in that memory space. So just here we run it, we get 30. So let's see another thing, int x. So what happened here? Multiple definitions here, value 30. Suppose we place block here. Placed. So let's see. Multiple definitions happen in a single variable. So in this case, what is going on? Please see that. In first one is printed x is equal 30, but the second one is printed x is equal 37. Why? Because what is the innermost definition it will take? So here int x is equal 30 is the innermost block here. So that one is take. Next one, this one is take. So let's see this thing. So just initialize without definition, just initialize what happened. Both are 30. So updated, that variable is updated here. Okay. So this is the main difference in these cases. Let's see third case. So the definition happened in outside of the main, and also declaration also done. So what happened in this case? Here the declaration and this is the definition, but it is not included here. So this is the one case to get the output. So these are the cases for declarations and definitions of a single variable. So and also next series declaration definitions of second video, we are going to more examples in this concept. So if you like this video, please share and comment if you required any concepts. Then subscribe my channel Swaram Embedded Academy. If you want any online classes, please call me or contact my email ID and also phone number. Okay, this is my this is my thing. This is my email ID and also phone number. If you have any online classes needed, then feel free to call me. I'm always available. And also, if you have any doubts in this video, that one also you can call me. Thank you all.